Hello and welcome in new video. So what's in the box of the Realme 9 Pro Plus? That's what we will discover in this video. We will discover also the price of the device, but before we start, don't miss to put a like for the video and subscribe for the channel. In the box of the Realme 9 Pro Plus, we will have a plastic case, manuals of the device, we will have also a USB Type-C charging cable, and the last thing in this box we will have a supercharge. It comes in 60 watt. This is all we have in the box of the Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G. For the price of the device, it starts from $335, $335 for the 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It's a really cool device with a perfect price. This is the Realme 9 Pro Plus. Don't miss to put a like for the video and subscribe in our channel to have all the news for the technologies. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.